Global cargo and e-commerce segments continue to promote high demand for production and converted freighters, and Boeing is at the ready. The American airframer reported on May 5th it has reached an agreement with a Costa Rica-based maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO provider to increase the conversion rate for the 737-800 Boeing Converted Freighter. In Alajuela, Costa Rica, Boeing will open two 737-800 BCF conversion lines with Cooperativa Autogestionaria de Servicios Aeroindustriales, CUPESA. The first of the two new lines would open in early 2022, followed by the second later that year. Besides, Boeing estimates that 1,500 freighter conversions will be needed over the next 20 years. 1,080 of those will be standard body conversions, with North America and Latin America accounting for about a third of the whole market. COPESA has demonstrated the technical expertise and commitment to quality and execution necessary to help us meet the growing customer demand for the 737-800 BCF, including in the Americas, said Jen Steinhagen, Director of Boeing Freighter Conversions. Boeing is pleased to have COPESA join our team of MRO partners as we deliver our market-leading converted freighters to customers around the world. We are honored that Boeing has chosen COPESA as a strategic partner to provide conversion services for the 737-800 BCF, said Kenneth Waugh, CEO of COPESA. We look forward to helping Boeing meet market demand with the technical quality and skilled workforce that has characterized COPESA in its 58 years of operation. Boeing already converts 737-800 passenger planes to freighters at 3 places in China. First is Boeing Shanghai Aviation Services. Second is Guangzhou Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Company Limited, and the third facility is Taikou Aircraft Engineering Company Limited in Jinan, China. More than 180 orders and commitments from 15 customers on 4 continents have been received so far for the 737-800 BCF. Boeing redelivered the 50th 737-800 BCF aircraft after it entered operations in 2018. For AirwaysMag.com in Connecticut, this is Rick Rosenbaum.